Today I'm going to tell you about the difference between garage floor coatings and outdoor coatings. Here at TORQ Coatings, we install outdoor coatings on a regular basis. The most common spaces that we install them in are front porches, front entryways, back patios, sunrooms, and pool decks from time to time. When it comes to outdoor coatings, the differences between an outdoor coating and a garage floor coating are the following. A garage floor coating usually is a different flake color than an outdoor coating. We have flake colors that are available to tie in with the exterior of your home because ultimately the stone, the siding, or the brick on your home, you want to complement with your exterior surfaces. We also install additional texture for outdoor coatings compared to a traditional garage floor coating. Slip resistance is a big deal. No concrete coating is slip proof. However, they can be slip resistant and you need to use care outside as well. Just remember, once we install a concrete coating outside, your concrete goes from being a porous surface to a non-porous surface. Water will sit on top of that coating, so you want to be mindful of that. A concrete coating installed outside is a great option to tie it in with your back patio, with your porch, and often the solution for when you have two different looking concretes around your patio. Let's say, for example, you have a 12 by 12 patio at a brand new construction home. And then you install a 20 by 12 area around it, and you got two different color concretes. That's the perfect scenario to install a concrete coating at your home, because ultimately we'll make it look like one seamless, solid space. And you're not gonna notice that it was two different concretes done at two different times. The product is designed to be outside because the top coat is UV stable. So yes, we can coat concrete outside. It really depends on the element, and it's a great product to consider if you have a 3 seasons room, a front entryway, a back patio, and things of that nature. And most commonly, we install a garage and an outdoor space at the same time because people like the same look. We often get asked, is there a difference between the price per square foot for a garage floor coating versus an outdoor coating? And to answer that question is no. Obviously, the size of space matters just like any other space. So a 250 square foot front entry and walkway is gonna be more per square foot as opposed to a 1,000 square foot patio. The pricing is the same because the system is the same. The only other different elements to consider is how are we going to get a grinder into the backyard? How are we going to prepare the site to pull the landscaping back? And just know that there may be a little bit of loose flake that could get in your lawn and things of that nature. So there's more preparation. It's different than just taking items off of your garage floor. You actually have to prepare the surrounding elements, such as your landscaping, your lawn, or your furniture off of your space. So there's a few things for you to know about outdoor coatings and the difference between a garage floor coating and an outdoor coating.